I've got a cool idea. We all know trickshots, right? It's been a staple of YouTube since forever, it feels like. The whole thing with doing something very difficult, like landing a ball from very far away or inside a very small hole or something like that. And as far as I know, trickshots have been made with balls of all kinds, like ping pong balls, soccer balls, and so on. It's been done with coins, with boomerangs, with shuttlecocks even, but has it been done with drawing? I guess I should look it up. I should have done that before, just in case somebody had the idea before me, but luckily nobody has. I mean, why would you? It doesn't make any sense. We can thus consider this video the world's first ever drawing trickshot event concept. This is exactly why you should subscribe, because even I don't know what idea I can come up with sometimes. So how do you make drawing trickshots? Well, kinda like minigolf in essence. I've devised a course with 10 shapes that go from easy to super hard. And the goal is to draw along the entirety of the shape with a single stroke and without touching the edges. And because these are trickshots, we want to know how many attempts it's gonna take for each one. If you have a drawing tablet and you want to try it at home, I've put a link to the 10 levels in the description below. Try it and let me know in the comments how well you did. Let's start with the beginning, level 1. This is gonna be quick, so pay attention. There you have it. One try. Let's watch the replay on that beautiful move. I definitely spent more time creating the levels than playing them, in most cases. Like level 2, same as level 1, a really wide shape, but curved this time. It's even curved in the right way, the one that's easy for right-handed people. Same as level 1, one stroke was definitely enough. Moving on. Level 3 is a classic of the genre, the circle. A wide one though. This shouldn't be too hard. In fact, it took 4 strokes to complete. I definitely misjudged the difficulty on all these. Nevertheless, I'm still having fun. For now at least. Level 4 is already visually more interesting. Is it harder though? Not really. It's a spiral that I completed in only 10 attempts. Which is good because it has the worst background of the 10 in my opinion, so we get to skip it quickly. And now we finally get to level 5, which is when the difficulty picks up. This one should have been ranked level 8 or 9, I think. It is also at this level that it becomes apparent I had no real idea of what counted and what didn't. Like, what if the stroke touches the pixels of the back line? Also, where should the stroke start or end? All of this wasn't defined, and at first I decided I had completed the 5th level in 87 strokes, which isn't too bad. It's only once I go much further that I decided to go back and redo this level because I definitely had some crossover of the pixels in the first round. In the end, the 5th level took about 120 strokes. Still not too bad, but more coherent than 87. And moving on to level 6, look at this beauty. And it's done. 2 strokes. I thought making the arch much tighter would make it so much more difficult, but after warming up during level 5, level 6 ended up being a piece of cake. Level 7 now. This one is controversial as well, guys. I did it in 1 attempt, which I could not believe. Multiple turns, quite tight, and only 1 attempt? No, because the pixel overlap was definitely too much. In the end, I decided that I needed at least 1 pixel between the stroke attempt and the black line for it to be valid. Or no more than 2 points of contact without overlap. That means just touching barely, tangential. That became my rule for the end levels. So 1 attempt eventually turned into 70 attempts for level 7, which is fitting. And moving on to level 8, the straight line. Now we are also getting to the part where the background is annoying on purpose, having lines that are off just to mess with your brain. Okay, it didn't mess me up too much because it only took 29 attempts. And similarly for level 9, the tight circle. You would think it would be hard. After all, I'm not cheating, so the brush doesn't have the magic touch that makes it smoother the faster you draw. Every tiny movement is registered, so this should be hard, and yet I completed an almost perfect circle in only 16 strokes. I definitely overestimated the whole thing, as I got to level 10 in 16 minutes, or 21 if you count the redos of levels 5 and 7. Overall, that's 9 levels in about 250 strokes. That's not a lot. I thought I would have trouble much earlier. Thankfully, I still have level 10, without which I honestly wouldn't have made a video. I would have scrapped the whole trickshot idea. Level 10 consists of straight lines with sharp turns. Straight lines imply a fast stroke, but sharp turns imply stopping on the dot with the right timing. The combo is very difficult. At least more difficult than the others, miles ahead in terms of difficulty, with me failing again and again for a little bit over 30 minutes. 30 minutes of failed attempts, with, I would say, about one attempt every couple seconds at least. There were some close calls here and there, where I had to zoom in and see if I really messed up. Sometimes only by a couple pixels, which is very frustrating, but that's the whole point of trickshots, right? Now we're into the challenge, finally. No more easy obstacles that can be completed in less than 10 strokes. Now we're talking dozens, no, hundreds, no, even thousands. Okay, back a step, actually hundreds. 527 to be precise. This is more how I envision the whole trickshot idea to go. I still can't believe I was this bad at predicting the difficulty. Unfortunately, I have only one point of reference, which is my own attempt at the challenge. This is why I invite you to try it on your own. In the description, I have a link to a Google Drive folder where you can find the 10 levels of the challenge. I'm gonna assume a lot of you have drawing tablets as well. So boot up your program of choice, plug in your tablet, open the challenge files and start counting. I'll be expecting your results in the comments. Let me know if I did exceptionally good with the lower levels or if they're actually too easy. Hell, if this video ends up doing well and people are interested, maybe I'll do it again. It will be the second world's first drawing trick shot event concept. I need to change the name too. But yeah, have a go at it and tell me how it goes. Oh, quick tip, if you don't want to count every stroke, do like I did. Before your first attempt, look at the stats of your project and see the number of strokes. And when you're done, look at the number again and subtract the first. This way you don't have to count and you can just get in the challenge and focus. And with all of that said, here is my final attempt. What a beauty. Let's watch the slow-mo. There were some close calls, as you can see there, but look, you can still see some pixels, so that's a success. There was only one place where the line was touching the border, and I decided to accept that. Mainly because after 30 minutes I was bored and my arm hurt. But anyway, thanks for watching this stupid idea of a video. Try it at home, tell me how it goes, there's a link below. Like and comment, and subscribe of course. Oh, not enough room there, buddy. Well anyway, I'm Detroit, have a good day. Bye!